Here is a beginner-level Cybersecurity Manager quiz that covers network and infrastructure security, identity and access management, IAM, and data protection and encryption. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary purpose of a firewall in network security? A. To increase internet speed. B. To block unauthorized access while allowing legitimate traffic. C. To replace antivirus software. And D. To store encrypted data. Answer: to block unauthorized access while allowing legitimate traffic. Question 2. Which security device is used to detect and prevent network intrusions? A. IDS/IPS, B. VPN, C. Load balancer, and D. switch. Answer: IDS/IPS. Question 3. What is a VLAN used for in network security? A. To connect networks over long distances. B. To monitor employee activity. C. To store encryption keys. And D. To create a logically segmented network for security purposes. Answer: to create a logically segmented network for security purposes. Question 4. Which protocol is commonly used for securely accessing network devices remotely? A. FTP, B. Telnet, C. SSH, and D. HTTP. Answer: SSH. Question 5. What is the main security concern of an unsecured public Wi-Fi network? A. Vulnerability to man-in-the-middle attacks. B. Slow internet speed. C. High data usage. And D. Limited bandwidth. Answer: vulnerability to man-in-the-middle attacks. Question 6. What is the primary goal of Identity and Access Management, IAM? A. To allow users unrestricted access to company data. B. To manage and control user access to systems and data. C. To increase password complexity only. And D. To ensure that all employees have administrator rights. Answer: to manage and control user access to systems and data. Question 7. What does multi-factor authentication, MFA, require users to provide? A. A username and password only. B. Any single form of authentication. C. Only a fingerprint scan. And D. A combination of at least 2 authentication factors. Answer: a combination of at least 2 authentication factors. Question 8. Which of the following is an example of something you have as an authentication factor? A. Password. B. Biometric scan. C. Security token. And D. PIN code. Answer: security token. Question 9. What is the principle of least privilege in access management? A. Granting users the highest level of access possible. B. Giving users only the access necessary to perform their job functions. C. Allowing access to everyone by default. And D. Letting employees share login credentials. Answer: giving users only the access necessary to perform their job functions. Question 10. What is single sign-on, SSO? A. A system that allows users to log in once and access multiple applications. B. A new password generation tool. C. A form of biometric authentication. And D. A method of encrypting passwords. Answer: a system that allows users to log in once and access multiple applications. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the primary purpose of data encryption? A. To make files easier to access. B. To protect data by converting it into an unreadable format. C. To reduce file size for storage. And D. To delete unnecessary data. Answer: to protect data by converting it into an unreadable format. Question 12. Which encryption method uses a pair of public and private keys? A. Symmetric encryption. B. Hashing. C. Asymmetric encryption. And D. Data masking. Answer: asymmetric encryption. Question 13. What is a key advantage of end-to-end encryption, E2EE? A. It speeds up data transmission. B. It prevents unauthorized software installation. C. It compresses data for storage efficiency. And D. Only authorized recipients can read the data. Answer: only authorized recipients can read the data. Question 14. What is the main purpose of a data loss prevention DLP system? A. To prevent unauthorized sharing or leakage of sensitive data. B. To back up data automatically. C. To detect network intrusions. And D. To remove viruses from files. Answer: to prevent unauthorized sharing or leakage of sensitive data. Question 15. Which of the following is not considered personally identifiable information, PII? A. Social security number. B. Credit card number. C. Favorite movie genre. And D. Home address. Answer: favorite movie genre. Question 16. What is the process of scrambling data so that only authorized parties can read it? A. Firewalling. B. Encryption. C. Phishing. And D. DDoS attack. Answer: encryption. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of a strong password? A. 12345678, B. QWERTY 123, C. password 1, and DP at SW0RD exclamation mark 23. Answer: P at SW0RD exclamation mark 23. Question 18. What does Zero Trust Security mean? A. Trust all users within the organization. B. Always assume breaches will occur and verify access continuously. C. Rely only on firewalls for security. And D. Block all internet access by default. Answer: always assume breaches will occur and verify access continuously. Question 19. What is the purpose of a VPN, virtual private network? A. To provide a secure encrypted connection over the internet. B. To increase Wi-Fi speed. C. To block pop-up ads. And D. To delete cookies automatically. Answer: to provide a secure encrypted connection over the internet. Question 20. Why is regular software updating important for cybersecurity? A. To enhance system aesthetics. B. To fix vulnerabilities and security flaws. C. To remove unnecessary features. And D. To increase file sizes. Answer: to fix vulnerabilities and security flaws. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.